So we are going to make an Easter basket. First, you need to make two equal size outline and then followed by make a half round at the bottom of it. And then at the top of the page, you make a small bow. After you're done with the bow, and then you connect the bow with the basket. Alright, after that, you can just add some little plants or grass on the basket and then followed by make eggs on it. Here I make 3 eggs, and then after that you can add some more patterns to make the eggs more beautiful. And for the last touching in the basket, just make some lines just to make the basket more natural, look more natural like that. By the way, if you're not sure enough to use the marker directly, you can just change the marker with the pencil, and after that you can just need to coloring it. And done.
Good afternoon, class. Welcome, and let's get started with today's lesson. So, what are we going to learn today? So, we're going to review be going to sentences. So, when you use be going to, the rule is subject plus be going to plus the verb. So, subject, I, he, she, be going to plus the verb, what you're going to do, running, walking, etc. So, next we're going to learn how to write a letter. So, if I want you to write a letter like you're writing it to a family member. Hello, Uncle John, how are you? This summer we're going to be visiting Camp Perry in Maine, and we're going to have a lot of fun activities, etc. Between 5 to 7 sentences. And I want you to take 10 minutes to do that. Next, I want you to imagine what your friends are going to be doing next week or next month, and then write 4 sentences telling me what you imagine they're going to be doing.
同学们，大家好！今天请你们打开课本第50页，跟老师一起念以下的课文。新年快要到了，新年快要到了，同学们都互相送贺年卡。小华也想做一些贺年卡送给老师和同学。他准备了彩色的纸、画笔、胶水和剪刀。写完作业，他就开始做。他做了很多贺年卡。还在贺年卡上写了很多祝福的话。他祝福老师身体健康，祝同学们新年快乐。希望各位同学在家里多多复习。再见。
Hello, good morning, grade 4 Antinia. Good morning, grade 4 Shanara. How are you today? You're fine and doing great on your worksheet. Good job. So this week we are going to continue again our lesson about properties of magnet. Please check this video, okay? Bye. Science grade 4. Properties of magnet part 2. So last week we have learned the properties of magnet part 1. Do you still remember the properties of magnet in part 1? Yes, the first is light poles repel and light poles attract. poles always exist in pairs. And the last is when a magnet is suspended freely, it will always point in a north-south direction. Here it is. Properties of magnet. The fourth. A magnet can exert a magnetic force from a distance. So a magnet does not need to come into contact with a magnetic object to attract it. A magnet does not need to contact with another magnet to attract or repel it. Each magnet has a different strength of a magnetic force. A stronger magnet can attract a magnetic material from a greater distance. So it depends on the magnet. So the bigger the magnetic force, then it can attract a bigger magnetic materials also. The fifth is a magnet is strongest at its poles. So when you pour iron fillings on a bar of magnet, the iron filling will line up along lines around the magnet. You can see from the picture that the black one, it means that the most iron filling going there. It is on the poles, north and south poles. There are many iron fillings at the poles than in the middle of the magnet. This shows that the magnet is strongest at its poles and weakest in the middle. Last properties of magnet is magnetism can pass through non-magnetic materials. Although a magnet cannot attract non-magnetic materials, its magnetism can pass through them. Magnet is very useful to us in our daily life. For example, fridge can hold pieces of paper onto the iron fridge door. I know all of you has this at your home. Next is the magnetic fishing toys works because magnetism can pass through water. Next, magnetic window cleaner works with the help of magnet. A magnetic window cleaner can clean both the side and outside surfaces of a window. Magnetism can pass through non-magnetic materials such as glass. There are magnets in both parts of magnetic window cleaner. The magnet attracts each other through the glass window. When one part of the magnetic window cleaner is moved, the other part of the other side of the window move together also. That's why it is easier for you to clean the window if you use the magnetic window cleaner because it can clean both sides. Now, we want to know sometimes the magnetism of a magnet cannot pass through non-magnetic materials. Why this is happen? It's because of two reasons. One is the magnet is too weak, and the second one is the non-magnetic materials is too thick. So this is for today. I hope you understand your lesson today. Bye bye. See you on the next video.